Hey folks, this is Mark Kelly with Inbound Revenue. You can see right here, right here. I'm going to walk you through a little case study today for a client of ours, a windshield repair shop. And this is an interesting niche because windshield repair is one of those relatively lower dollar type of transactions, because you're not doing a roof replacement, you're not doing a a huge landscaping job, but it can still be very profitable on Google Ads. So if you run a windshield repair shop and you're not confident that your Google Ads are producing, reach out. You can find us at www.inboundrevenue.com. So what I'm going to do is walk through today this campaign that we've got, windshield repair, which we just started in 2022. I'm going to walk you through the last 30 days of this campaign. So you can see we've got a $30 a day budget. So that's not a huge budget. That's less than $1,000 a month. We typically recommend that you start at about $1,000 a month or more, depending on your niche. But this is one of those niches where you can get away with it. We actually started much lower than that, than $30 a day. So you can see over here, we've got, in the last 30 days, we've got about 1,500 impressions, a 9% click-through rate, which is really decent. Most important thing is we've got a 47 leads for the clients, and we've converted almost 34%, which a cost per conversion of about $17. So if you're closing these at a pretty high rate, which you should be, because typically when someone's reaching out about windshield repair, they've got a need right then, right there. It's a fair amount of urgency to a business like this. So they're getting, in this case, 50 leads a month at about $18 a lead, and converting them at a fairly high rate. So this is an instance where a relatively low dollar, type of service can work out really, really well on Google Ads. So if you run a windshield shop or anything similar to that, or you're just curious about how your Google Ads might perform, check us out at Inbound Revenue, and or give me a call, give me an email. But take a quick look at the campaign. You can see the type of things that we're targeting. So we have built this out in single keyword ad groups, and we're targeting keywords like windshield crack, broken windshield replacement, windshield crack repair. Let's sort this by conversion. Okay, it is. So you see the ones that are converting at the highest level and what the costs are for those conversions. And when we talk about a conversion, what we're targeting is the lead form filled out on the unbounced landing page that we create. We're talking about a call from an ad, but more likely a call from the landing page, where we've driven someone to the landing page, they've reviewed it, they like what they see, they call the shop. And the reason that we do that is because we find that if someone goes to the landing page, looks at what they, knows it's a local provider, looks over their page, likes what they see, and they call, they're much higher chance to convert than if you just do a call only ad. So these are the types of keywords that we target. We target very specific sets of keywords. This allows us to really optimize your campaign over a period of time. So if you like what you see, reach out to us. This is Mark Kelly with Inbound Revenue.